Good morning. It is 32 degrees. That is not why we're not fishing. We're not fishing because it's windy. It's windy. It's blowing like 20 couple knots out there. 32 degrees in Savannah. How cold is it where you're at? Andrew, no, for real. Tell me how cold it is where you're at in the comments, because this just fascinates me at how ridiculously soft we are to the cold. And I grew up where it's like 10 degrees right now. But Andrew Gordon of WTOC, Savannah's most watched news station, told me yesterday that it's going to get down to a wind chill of 11 one of these mornings. So yeah, we'll be back out there Tuesday, Wednesday, and I think it's going to be back up and around the 60s. Go follow Andrew Gordon and he'll let you know. See y'all out on the water.